India and its proxy in occupied Kashmir are using all kinds of torture, including the physical, mental, and the psychological torture at a large scale as a tool to prolong the New Delhi's illegal hold on the territory and to suppress the Kashmiris' righteous and the just demand for the UN recognized plebiscite. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the International Day in support of the victims of the torture today revealed that the Indian troops, during their unabated acts of state terrorism, martyred 96,453 Kashmiris, including 7,392 in custody, and the fake encounters since January 1989. Indian Forces personnel launched a coordinated search operation in the Udhampur district. The Forces personnel launched the operation in the Basantgarh area of the district on Thursday morning. A heavy exchange of the fire is currently underway. India has been ranked a high-risk country for the torture and ill treatment in the World Organization Against the Torture First Global Torture Index 2025. In association with the People's Watch, the OMCT assessed 26 countries in this index through data collected between 2023 and 2024. In a case of the blatant misuse of power by the Indian forces, India's Human Rights Commission has taken up a complaint regarding the mysterious disappearance and the deaths of 3 men from the Gujar Bakalwar scheduled tribe in the Kulgam district. The case, highlighting the serious allegations of apathy and abuse of the power, is being pursued by the advocates Ayub Wani and Yawar Ramzan. A member of the Indian Army-backed Village Defence Guards committed suicide in the Samba district. 47-year-old Village Defence Guard Omkar Nath shot himself with his service rifle inside his home in the Nichla village in the Ghagwal area of the district, the officials confirmed. India faced diplomatic embarrassment after its allegations linking Pakistan to the Pahalgam attack were dropped from the Shanghai Cooperation Organization joint statement, while Pakistan's concerns over the Indian state-sponsored terrorism in Balochistan were acknowledged. This reportedly forced the New Delhi to withhold its signature from the document at the SCO defense ministers meeting held in the China.